So the dust is now buried. We don't have a lot of dust. We hope the rain will continue raining and it's a good day. So today I found that my gate has got issues and I've invited the experts to come and repair it. So the first thing we do today is repair the gate. So you can see there's a crack here. You can see the crack. So this crack is what we want to rectify so that it does not bring problems. I don't know whether there is another crack, but that one is the biggest crack. This other place has no crack, I think. So it is just down here. We have the crack, and it is serious. You can see. Hii kitu kanaitwa hinges ama kanaitwa hii. You can see the hinges are separated with the main gate. Yeah. So we want now to start repairing it, and then things will be nice for us. Because if it stays like that, there will be issues, and it will not be a good thing. So now you can see where it is now. We have just separated it with the door. The door also looks like the gate seems to have cracked. So what now they are doing is, I think they are trying to set the gate. You can see they are moving the gate slowly. All right. So that we fix it permanently. All right. Hiyo upepo ilikuwa kubwa sana, ikiwa imegongesha hapo mpaka kukatokana. So we are fixing now that small metal there to cover that. Okay. So we are moving on well. Remember yesterday there was a lot of rain, and the rain buried the dust. So we don't have the dust now. You can see even here. I think these plants are going to wake up. So we are in the process now of trying to cut a piece. It is going to be put there. Hey, usijiumize. I'm telling him to be careful. Careful. Unaweza kuchukua maji na kuna kanini hapo. Hata si hiyo. Ndio ako kwa mlango. Kako na maji? Haya, kuja nayo. Hata kakiwa kana unaweza kuongeza hapo. Lakini hiyo ni imetosha, si ndio? So they are going for water. And they have kwa hivyo sasa ikiwekwa namna hiyo sasa ni hope hakuna kitu itanini haita nisumbua tena. Okay. Alright, so let's see now how it's going to come out of it. We have now started fixing that hole. There's a serious hole there. So I'm taking you through the whole process of fixing the gate. Okay. Now we are doing what is known as welding. Okay. Welding. I don't know whether the other side has got any issues, but I think we are going to take. We will check those. So they are fixing a piece to connect to the hinges. Okay. Hiyo unaona ni sawa? Ni kijana nauliza hapa. Kama unaona kama inaweza kushika kidogo. So we are still trying to make this room, because now it is, we don't want to have a crack. So we actually want to repeat this again. Okay. Hiyo ni ya kukata na hiyo ni grinder. Kuna grinder na ya kukata Okay. So we are now grinding, So finally you see the door is fixed there. So the door is now. The door is fixed. Alright. So we are checking the one which is up there, because the weed really, so that this gate will have no issues forever. Alright. So let's see. He's cramping on the wheelbarrow so that he can walk comfortable. So on top of the wheelbarrow, he can walk properly. So we are doing the part there now. Alright. So we are still trying to make this gate have no issues. Like there, we are trying to remove the soil from the hole. Remember it rained yesterday. Alright. Yeah. Remove the soil. Now we are fixing up there, and the work will be as complete as possible. See here, there is also, I don't know whether you can see the crack. If you look like that, it's also going to be fixed. So we are trying to go to the material for fixing that. Najua kasi.
I'm a train.
Yeah?
I'm a train.
Oh, you are training him, eh? All right. Okay. So, kama attachment, an attachee. Here we have an attachment. All right. Being taught. So we fix the top there, and the things will be okay. All right. And the gate will be as good as possible. All right.
So do my number.
Unaenda kwa apps namna gani? Okay. We're still pushing. So we are through with the work now. The gate is now okay. You can see it is already fixed. All right. The gate is now fixed. We have no problem now. You can see. So the cracks, the cracks have been repaired. All right, you can see that one has been repaired. And I think we are going to call it a day. And we meet next time. So they are now assembling their gadgets so that we call it a day. Okay. Otherwise, we have done some good work here. And so may I meet you in another video.